Hello there, my name's Nick, Workshop Manager at CTM Performance. It's time for another video that we're going to show you, an operation that we're doing today. Bear in mind we are a live workshop, so it probably is a bit noisy, you'll hear a few coughs and whatever, but we'll try and battle our way through it. We've got what we're here is a Sierra Cosworth 200 block, and one of the services we offer is a long stud conversion on it. So I've set it up on the good old Bridgeport mill. We won't show you the whole process, but we'll just outline, show you each individual thing, and then it just gives you an insight to what we do. But if I get a couple of studs, this basically is the original head stud that Fords use, and this is what they call the long stud. So basically what you have to do is you have to machine out the top and then run a tap down the bottom, so this head bolt actually winds itself into the bottom of the block itself. So it means that when the head is being tightened up on it, it's actually pulling from the bottom of the block, the top of the head. So I use this on a lot of the high powered cosies because it is the best way to stop head gasket problems and that. But as I say, I've set it up with our little datum all done now, and then what we do is the first process of now drilling the hole out, and we'll go from there. Okay, let's crack on. Yeah, so here we are now. First long drill is set up, so it's just a matter of drilling it down to our mark on the drill, to our stop point, and we'll go from there. As I said, the bed's all clamped up. It's all done by hand. We do a lot of the stuff here by hand still, not automated machines. So you end up breaking through the top. And you just want to let the drill find its centre. Gently. There we go. There's the first drill done. There's a lot of winding handles on this one, unfortunately, because of the length of the drills and that you use. But the first one out. Now with a second drill, you only have to go through the top part of the block, except the two centre ones, which have no waterways in them, so you have to go to the full length of the stud, apart from the thready part at the bottom. This is the second one. Nicely done. So that's just a normal drill. The next one we do is a special tool. It's been made up because this actually cuts it for the actual long stud itself, because it sits on a little shoulder. This one, we'll bring it up so it just touches the face. I mean, we know we've got a plough grinder head face, so that just stops. Turn it down to our required depth. And then come back out. And that there is the first shoulder. But that part of the stud will then sit in there. As I said, all we've got left to do is to tap out the bottom of the hole, and that should be a nice fit. But as I said, I'll do the other 5, get them done. As I said, we only normally do the middle 6, which is normally what we've always done. And as I said, once we've done that, we'll show you the tapping and then show the rest of the procedure. Thank you. We on? Right. So as you can see, I've finished machining the other 5 holes, I should say. So they've all been drilled and counterbored. And the stud itself, all we've got left to do now is to tap the hole in the bottom of the block. And then by the time that's wound in and done, it'll be an happy one. Then once we've also, it just need a light plough grind over it. But that's the machining work done, as you can see. Right, this is our little 200 Sierra Cosworth block that we've just finished 6 studding. You just see it before in the Bridgeport mill. Taking it off of there, I've tapped all the holes now for our 6 stud, so I just thought I'd show you that once we've done it, pop straight in the hole. As I said, tapped in the bottom, winds in lovely, sits below the surface there, so at least when it's blocked, and they come with a little O-ring and that to sit around the side, which gets sealed in there as well. So at least when the head is bolted on, it actually bolts from the bottom. And that's the same as all the other 6, so you can see that there. The next process that's going to be done now is it's on the plough grinder, it's going to be set up level, and then just the minimum amount just taken off the top, because we like having a ground finish when we run a multi-shim gasket, because it just it gives a better seal. But at least that part of the operation's done, and I'll leave it in Dean's capable hands to carry on the rest of it.
Right, so as you can see, we've got the block on here ready to plough ground. I've already gone through, just set it up, give it a very light one, but I'll show you how we sort of finish it off. I will put a bit of music over this or something, or get someone to, because it is quite a noisy machine. But let's see what happens. So I don't know if you can hear me talking over the top of the noise of it, but you can hear it's quite loud. So what I'm doing is just going through it a minute on a rough cut, and then when I send it back through, we'll slow the speed down so it gives it a better finish. Normally where I start doing a bit of break dancing or something, I start singing to myself, but don't worry, I won't show you all. Oh, she looks so pretty. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when you come for you? Bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? So as you can see, she's all finished off. Let me just get this out of the way. Lovely, lovely, lovely. That'll do. She's all finished. Let's get some WD. Nice. There you go. And that is bag grinding the block down. Hello. Just wanted to end this video here. Hope you enjoyed that one. This is my boy Floki. It is the bank holiday weekend, so I hope you're up to something fun. We have got other videos coming out soon, but don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and ding dong that bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Good boy. Good boy.